VuMaster is the latest development in non-contact measurement. It is a benchtop manual 2D camera-based vision inspection system with a big difference. The difference is colour map technology. Colour map is a newly patented absolute encoder system that enables VuMaster to offer a massive 400 by 300mm XY measuring range, without the usual increase in price and footprint. The map itself is a grid of coloured dots arranged such that every block of 9 dots is a unique colour combination. A dedicated camera constantly reads the map whilst the machine is in use to provide a continuous XY display of position. Colour map technology is unique to VuMaster, making it the only system that can offer this price-performance ratio. Unlike conventional stage systems, the VuMaster measuring camera moves around the part, gliding effortlessly on air bearings with air supplied by an integral pump. The camera moves within the measurement envelope, so the machine footprint is significantly reduced. Furthermore, the part remains stationary during the measurement process, removing the need to secure it to the stage. In fact, the part doesn't even need to be in contact with the machine at all. Measurements and reports are made using Baty's PC-based Fusion software. The industrial PC controller is fitted into the chassis, so there is no need for cable management and additional bench space. A 19-inch LCD monitor and even a printer are also included in the standard package. Just plug in the single power cord and you are ready to measure. As with our other Fusion-based systems, the image of the part to be measured is analysed and the resulting measurements are displayed as a dimensional drawing. The part image is provided by a specially developed high-resolution 3.2 megapixel camera and telecentric lens. Programmable LED lighting is provided for both surface and profile illumination. The graphical light control panel adjusts segment size, radial position and intensity of light to ensure that the edges of the feature to be measured are clearly defined. Focus happens automatically and measurement takes place using a newly developed range of video edge detection tools. These tools are used to scan an image of the feature to be measured, automatically finding its edge. Hundreds of data points are then captured and used to calculate the feature in an instant. These tools allow standard geometric features like lines, arcs and circles to be measured, using hundreds of data points taken in an instant. In this case, the user is not having to decide where the edge of the feature is, as this is detected automatically. This approach is significantly faster than traditional methods and also gives vastly improved accuracy and repeatability of measurements from one user to the next. A scanning tool is also available to automatically capture data from a free-form profile shape. This data can be best fitted to an imported DXF master profile to determine profile error. So, how fast can I measure a part? Let's place a typical component on the glass stage for measurement. Autofocus quickly finds the surface of the part, and using the digital zoom facility, the user can adjust the image magnification to suit. Now we can measure. Using the video edge detection tools provided, we can quickly measure circles, lines, arcs, and points around the component. In each case, Fusion is finding the edge of the feature to be measured, so repeatability from one user to the next is assured. Once measured, every feature appears in the part view, building a graphical representation of the part being measured. Measured results can be displayed by simply picking dimensions on the part view and placing them on the graphic. Additional features can be constructed and dimensioned in the same way. Once the inspection is complete, this part view can be printed as a fully dimensioned drawing of the measured part with colour-coded dimension lines clearly showing which dimensions are in tolerance. Of course, more conventional reports can also be produced, even in Excel. So there it is, a dimensional drawing of the part you just measured in minutes. But that's not all. When it comes to measuring another part in the batch, Fusion has remembered everything. What to measure, how to measure, even the lighting required. All you need to do is to run this automatically generated program and follow the on-screen navigator, and VuMaster does the rest. Multiple parts can even be checked in sequence to make use of VuMaster's class-leading measuring envelope. So, if you need to check parts up to 400mm by 300mm, check out the new VuMaster from Baty. Visit www.vumaster.co.uk to find your nearest VuMaster dealer and to arrange your no-obligation on-site demonstration. VuMaster. The future is vision.